Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to display the multimedia content on our front end. Means the image, audio, videos we are going to display. So let's instruct our browser to render the multimedia content on the front end. So I'll create one file with the name image tag.html. Okay. So if you wanted to take the overall boilerplate, you take it. I'll just take the browser body. So now, if you want to display the images on the front end, you have to make use of image tag. Image is self-closing tag. Opening, closing, both are not required for the image. Only this opening is required. This closing of image, this is not required. Okay. This closing of image like this, we don't need. Okay. So only opening is required. Okay, understood. So the tag which needs only opening, that is what we call it as a self-closing tag or unpaired tag. So in the last video also, one unpaired tag we have seen, which is nothing but HR tag, horizontal rule tag. So this is also one of the unpaired tag. In the similar way, your image is also one of the unpaired tag, which does not need the closing tag. Okay. Unpaired tag. Closing is not required. And what do you mean by paired tag? Paired tag, which needs opening and closing both. See, this is the opening and this is the closing. This is paired tag. Unpaired tag means this is unpaired tag. You can call it as a self-closing tag also. Okay. Self-closing tag. What are the examples of paired tag? Your paragraph is paired tag. All heading tags are paired tag. Most of the tags which holds the content are paired tag. Okay. Okay, understood. So now image I want to display, but where is the image? Somewhere it should be present, right? Somewhere it must be hosted. So I will write where it is present. Okay, I will tell you the address. So the path of image we have to give to this SRC. Now, if you are thinking, now what is SRC? SRC is an attribute. This is your tag, I agree. But your alone image tag cannot display the image. We need some extra functionalities to the image tag. So if you want to give some extra information to the browser along with the tag, you have to make use of attribute. Now you are telling to the browser display this as an image. Browser is asking, this means what should I display as an image? Give me the path of image. Where is the image present? So that extra information if you want to give, you have to make use of attribute SRC. Attributes are used to give extra information to the browser along with this tag. So SRC attribute we are using. So now let's copy quickly one image path. I'll go to the browser. We'll search for some nature images. I'll search nature image. So this first one only I will select. I'll right click, copy image address. See, right click, copy image address. We'll go back over here. To this SRC, I am going to paste this image address. But image address is too lengthy. So let's make it short. We'll go back over here. We have something called as URL shortener. URL shortener. I'll just open this. I'll paste the link here, shorten the URL, and I'm going to copy this. We'll come back over here. To this SRC, we'll paste this, save the code. We will decide some height and width also. So I'll just tell over here that width should be 100 of view width and height must be 100 of view height. View height means whatever the area is visible to the user, you consider complete height. View width means whatever the area is visible on the front end, that is called as view width. But the image is present of this size only, so it is not adjusting as per the view height and view width. But we have some image properties we are going to explore next. It's not like height and width is not working. It is working, guys. Let's say I will give 200 pixels. Okay. See, I got the width 200 pixel. Here I will give height as again 200 pixel. Height also I need 200 pixel. I got 200 by 200. If you need width, no, I need 300 pixel. See, 300 pixels width, we got it over here. Okay. So like this, we can display the any image on our front end. So now image is block level tag or inline tag. Let's understand. What is block level tag? The tag which occupies the complete parent width. We call it as a block level. Correct? So I will inspect this code. I'll just drag it here. This is your image tag. Is it occupying the complete browser width? Or how much ever the 300 by 400 we have given? Only that much it is occupying. Only that much it is occupying, correct? So your image is in a line tag. It won't occupy the whole block. Okay, image is in line tag. If you display one more image, see, I'll copy this. The same image I'm going to display here. So side by side, both the images will be displayed like this. Because it is in a line. In one line, the content, the data will be displayed. So in a line tags means the tags which won't occupy the complete parent width, rather how much ever the space is required, only that much they will occupy. That is what we call it as an inline tag. So image is inline tag. If you want this image on the next line, on the new line, so we can make use of, see, this is the image, right? After this image, I need one line break. So I will use BR tag. BR is a self-closing tag because inside this we are not going to enclose anything. So I am telling after this, you give one line break. Okay. If I enter two line breaks, you will be getting two line breaks after the image like this. See, two line breaks, we got it. So this is same like your print ln statement. Print it and go to the new line. Take the cursor to the new line. So like that it is. Print the image and take the cursor on new line. BR means break the line. So this is all about your image tag. So let's write the overview. What is the first point? Image tag is in line tag. In line tag. Next. SRC attribute is used to give path of image. Path of image. Next, third point. What do you mean by attribute? Attribute means attribute is used to add extra information to the tags. So now alone image tag won't display the image. So if you want to give extra information to the browser display the image. But where is the image? That extra information I am giving by using SRC, attribute. So attributes are used to add extra information to the tags. Okay? Okay, I hope I am clear with how to display the image tag. Now let's learn how to display the video tag. I'll create one new file with the name video tag.html. Okay. So I will take the browser body like this. We'll close this. Inside this, I will take the video tag. Okay. If your browser won't support that video, here you can give the message. Your browser doesn't support this video. Okay. Otherwise, if you won't give also, then also nothing will happen. The video is also self-closing tag like this. Now you are telling to the browser display the video. Browser confused. Okay, I will display the video, but where is the video? So now inside my document, inside my downloads, I have a video. Okay. See this nature video I have. So I'm going to copy this nature video. Okay. And I will paste inside this VS Code. See, I'll take the cursor here. I will paste it. Paste. So I got the video over here. So now this is the video tag. I will give SRC is equal to, what is the video name? Nature, nature.mp4. See, it is suggesting. You display this video on the front end. Make sure the video must be present in the same folder on which you are working. Just download and store one video in the same folder. Okay. So we got this video over here. Now, how much space this video should occupy, that height and width we will give. The height of the video is 200 pixel and the width of the video is 200 pixel, 200 by 200. So let's see how it is rendering the video. I'll just go live. See, the video got displayed like this. But is this a video or image? Let me increase the size of the video. It's not properly visible. Height is, let's say, 400 by 400 I will give. Let's see, 400 by 400. I'll save the code. I'll come back here. I'll refresh. See, this is a video. Is this video? I am unable to click at all. So, my dear, if you need a complete controls of the video, play, pause, playback speed, full screen, you have to tell to the browser by using attribute. That extra information you have to give to the browser. Browser, you display this video. Where it is? By using SRC attribute, I told that extra information. Here it is present. By using height attribute, I gave again extra information. Height should be 400 pixel. By using width attribute, again I gave extra information. Width should be 400 pixel. By using controls attribute, I will tell to the browser, you give all the controls to this video. Play, pause, playback speed. See, I got all the controls of the video. Now your video, we can play, we can pause. Okay. So now once we are playing the video, see, once it will reach the end of the video, done. So I don't want like this. Once it will reach the end, it should start playing the video from the beginning. See, reached end, it should start from the beginning. In loop, it should play the video. So we can give that extra information to the browser. Browser, you play this video in loop. See, first attribute controls, then loop. So now let's check the output. I'll just refresh this. Once the video will reach the last duration, see, it has started from the first. Let it reach the last, it has started from the first. Now, initially, see, when you initially render the video, automatically it is not playing, right? And is it muted? No. So, what I want is, as soon as user will load the video, it should automatically play the video and the video should be muted. I will save the code. Will refresh. See, automatically when you will refresh the page, automatically it is playing the video and it is muted. This is what autoplay and muted does. So now on the videos, you might have seen the thumbnails. Now see these videos, these YouTube videos. So before you click on play, these are the thumbnails of the video. If you click on play, see, this is the actual video, it will start playing. Okay. This is the actual video. So rest all are the thumbnails of the video. Correct? So if you want to give the thumbnail to your video, you have to make use of poster attribute. Okay? But this autoplay and muted should not be there. So I will use poster. Where is the thumbnail? So we have our image, right? This image resource I'll copy. I'll come back to the video tag. As a poster, I will paste this link over here. We'll save the code. We'll go back. Okay. So can you see the thumbnail? So before you play the video, this is the thumbnail. If you play, this is your video. But if you give autoplay and muted, guys, that poster won't be visible because automatically it will play the video. So these are the attributes we have learned about video tags. So let's list out all the attributes. The first attribute is SRC. What is the use of SRC? To give path of video tag. Okay. So next attribute which we have learned to give the path of video tag. Okay. Okay. Full stop. The next attribute is controls. What is the use of controls? To give all controls to the video. All controls means play, pause, okay, speed, playback speed, okay, full screen option. All these controls you will get because of controls attribute. Loop means once the video will reach the last duration, automatically it will start playing from the first. Poster means it will allow you to give the thumbnail to your video. So this you can explain however you want and complete this to fill in the blanks because you also understood everything, right? Next, what autoplay does? Automatically it will play the video initially when you render the page. And muted, autoplay and muted both together you have to use always. Autoplay plus muted. Automatically it will play the video and initially it will be muted. Okay. So this is all about your video tag. And the last multimedia content is your audio. Audio.html. So I am going to give you just syntax. You have to give one audio over here and you have to check how audio we can display on the front end, guys. Okay. So I will take the audio tag. Okay. I'm telling to the browser display one audio. Browser is asking where it is. So src is equal to give one link of audio. So if you go here, you can download multiple audios, guys. Okay. So let's say KGF2 ringtone I need. Okay. Ringtone. So you will be getting multiple ringtone in the sense audio only, right? Okay. So this I will check. I'll click on this. I'll just search for download. Okay. See this download MP4. I'll click on this. Download. Just randomly download any video, guys. Okay. So in my downloads, that video is present, right? If I go to the downloads, this is the MP3 video. Audio. I'll just rename this as KGF2. Now I'm going to copy this and in the same folder on which we are working, we'll paste it. Paste. We got it here. So now this is the audio. src is this kgf2.mp3 it is suggesting. Save the code. So now if you need all the controls of audio, play, pause, you need controls attribute here also. Otherwise you won't get all the controls of audio tag. So if I go over here, I'll refresh. See, this is the audio we have displayed on the front end. Okay. That's all. So in this video, we have learned how to display the image, audio and video on our front end. So now you have learned how to display the headings, how to display the paragraph, pre-formatted text, how to format the text as a bold, italic, subscript, superscript, strike, underline, how to display the image, audio, video. Okay. In the upcoming videos, we will learn more about this. This is all about this video, guys. Thank you. See you in the next video.